So I was thinking of this post that I had just posted about the idea of offing or unaliving two birds with one stone. The idea and the imagery that I get when I'm seeing them words play in my head is like, why did you need to off two of them? I get you only had one stone, but what was them birds doing to you? What is it that you're trying to destroy to get back to a certain point with? Because like you only offer the birds to get them to go away or get them away from whatever it is they're doing, but why? What if our mentality is like that? We so destructive, right? We go to destroy something first before we actually get to the problem that's not so destructive. Like, I'm gonna work on the problem, I'm not gonna destroy somebody to get to it. I'm gonna work toward it however I need to do it until I get there, right? The mentality of switching up to what I call the feed three birds with one plate or with one bowl, however you may see it, it's different. Like, you not only helped, but you fed three of them. You only had one amount, but you managed to multiply. You had the ability to help when you seen a problem, not seen a problem and helped yourself to a solution. You see a problem and you help multiple in the solution. Say the birds is attacking your field and you wanted to take the stone to them because they were getting on your nerve. But the question is, why are they destroying your field? Is it because they was hungry? What if you just fed them some food and they would stop attacking your food? You see what I'm saying? The mentality shift. In your projects, brands, business, and services, you would also shift these thought patterns. Because if you could get 3 clients with the price of one item, or the price of one item, you can get 3 clients, or the price of 3 clients, you can get 1 item. You see what I'm saying? What can you do? How can you multiply when you switch to that mindset? Learn more about this at the Sowful Ministry Masterclass that is hosted and running right now by yours truly. My name is JoJo, also known as the Master of Manifestations and the founder of the First Natural Church of Business. You guys, we are sowing and growing and finding different ways to change our mentality and make sure that we are in the growing spirit at all times. No longer stagnated, no longer complaining, no longer just being confused about the world we live in. We get our heads down and we get into the sowing spirit, because when you sow, you can grow. And when you can grow, you can see everything that you thought was tall be even small, and everything that you thought was too hard to reach can be even rich. This is what we're doing in the Sowful Ministries Masterclass. Join us. It don't matter what level you are on. Join us and find out how you can sow and grow your way. So on and so forth.
I steady be growing, that's why I work with trees, yeah. I steady be sowing, that's why I plant them seeds.